Good news or bad news?
It's what makes a Subaru a Subaru. My friends over at Offtheline Performance build some of the craziest tuner cars in the country. They're mostly known for building insanely fast Subarus like Justin's STI. Offtheline was kind enough to let me drive this 800 wheel horsepower Subaru that had been sitting around a while. And unfortunately, when something's this modified and it hasn't cleared its throat after a while, things can happen. So just like any review, went out and started my first drive. This, ladies and gentlemen, makes over 800 wheel horsepower and 611 foot-pounds of torque. So, fastest Subaru probably I've ever driven. I'm actually very excited because my previous experiences with Subarus have never really been that consistent. Actually also getting kind of high horsepower Evo vibes as well, because you gotta really rev this car out to get it to move with the clutch. Oh boy. Oh, yes, I got a need for speed. So the motor is a 2.5 hybrid. What's that mean? So this car started out as a WRX and ended up having a bunch of STI stuff in it. But the head of the car is a 2.0, while the bottom half is a 2.5. So you don't have that variable cam timing anymore, and that's why it has that really intense chop. And Subarus simply don't chop like with a big cam. This also has cams in it, fully built motor, whole nine, CP pistons, manly rods, the whole shebang. And I've learned a lot about Subarus hanging out with Offtheline. For example, to build a Subaru motor, if you ever pretty much open it up, it's gotta be remachined, for example. It's also got the Offtheline surge tank and fuel system, which looks absolutely phenomenal in the back of the trunk. Oh, we have an Integra coming up on us. Sick. What's up? He said, ThatDudeinBlue! The car also has a STI 6-speed with a rally spec gear set in it. So, built gearing, it's ready to go. And the STI trans is pretty strong as it is, so it's really good that they reinforce this as well. Oh man, missing a little bit. Well, it sounds cool breaking up. After running into a subscriber who was in an Integra driving by, I tried to do a little pull for him, and unfortunately the car started breaking up. I said, you know what? Not a good idea to get on this car. Let me turn around and let's do some maintenance. So I went back to Offtheline, changed out the coil packs, and then went right back out to try and do this review once again. Earlier today, you might notice the lighting is completely different. The car would not go into boost, and it's not Offtheline's fault. It's because one, this car is rarely driven, pretty much ever. Two, the coil packs were 5 years old on an 800 plus horsepower car. Now that we kind of know the build of the car, let's go do the fun part now. Built motor, hybrid engine, 2.0 head, 2.5 bottom, in case I forgot to say earlier, fully built motor, CP pistons, manly rods. Wow, I can't believe I remembered all this stuff 7 hours later. For what y'all are here for, let's do some pulls. It'll be fun. It blew up. The car just blew up. Smoking again. I wasn't even that mean to it. What the fuck? Oh, it's gone. It's dead. Motor is gone. Motor's gone. Yep, we're done. Cool. I just keep getting stranded lately. I got stranded in the Gallardo the other day, and now I'm stranded in this thing.
Good news or bad news?
It's what makes a Subaru a Subaru. It's broken. I'm stranded, like legitimately stranded.
Oh. engine or trans?
Engine.
Sick. Okay.
So it
we have plenty of them here to fix. So.
Okay. Well, I wasn't even that hard on it. I literally was rolling into second gear to see how things were going, and just broke up once, like once or twice, and went pa-pow, and then some smoke came out the back, and now it won't turn back on again.
All right. Well, we'll get it fixed.
I think they'll be here in a second, no problem, but I'll keep you updated, okay?
All right.
All right, thanks, man. Woo!
Oh yeah, go so fast.
So fast! Oh boy. Can't wait.
Head gaskets. Head gaskets for 500.
I would like lifted head for 500. All right.
I think it's a blown turbo.
You think it's a blown turbo?
Yeah, only because there's no coolant pushed out through dipstick.
Okay.
Everything seems pressurized. There's no coolant, no fluids outside.
I don't see any fluids.
So, well, actually, it could be oil getting in through the turbo, but my guess is the turbo's just. Yeah, I think it's the turbo.
I did not do anything extreme. You guys vouch for me, seriously. Like, I was rolling, I didn't even bat it. I was rolling into it to make sure it would be okay. 800 horsepower comes at a price. And we literally just did a test run easing into 3 gears and it was fine.
Yeah, it was great.
See, that's the weird, no coolants.
Wait,
coming
what's
out?
this stuff?
That was there.
Oh, okay. Don't you hate that? Don't you hate that when it's like, what is this? Guys, I think there's something wrong. The block is like turned sideways. Oh, that's a boxer.
Wait a second.
Wait a second. Wait a second here. Good job dusting out those coil packs. So proud of you today.
But like no fluids anywhere around it. Usually if you blew a head gasket, there would be indication of either through the cap, through the dipstick, or even. Oh, there's smoke there, yeah. So,
oh yeah, there's smoke there.
Hey, guess what it smells like?
Huh? Coolant?
Oh! Head gaskets.
I'd like head gaskets for the 6th time for 700. R.I.P. Alex. Oh, sick. Turbo 350Z just pulled up. That's neat. It's right over there. So there's no tow hooks anymore either?
Nope. We either have to go through the control arm or we're gonna have to like snake it through here somehow.
Okay.
Or hook it to the subframe.
Who here has been stranded by a tuner car?
Like straight back through here.
Everyone.
I feel personally attacked, but
I was thinking go back through there.
So while we were broken down, I saw this really neat 350Z that has a 5.3 in it, and it's Pro Charge. So let's go see. Say hi, Jonathan.
Hey.
Is that a carbon hatch too? Dude, that's cool. What do you mean? This thing looks great. I was expecting some dirty mechanic, you know what I mean? Some sloppy mechanic stuff, and this looks amazing. Well, not my first rodeo on this one. First, we gotta get our steering with my little chicken arms. We're good! Mrs. Puff!
I'm ready!
This is the fastest this car's gone all day! Plus, sometimes you just have to laugh about bad situations. Oh yeah. That wouldn't have broke down today. Maybe. It's a sand rail.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's a figure 8 car. Those things are sick. People ask me what cars have broken on me during car reviews, and there's 2 that stick out. Take a wild guess.
All Subarus.
No. Well, okay, that's 1/2. What's the other half?
Evo.
Yeah. I'm sorry I broke your car. Are you
Add it to the list.
Are you concerned?
No.
Okay.
Add it to the list. We got, what was the last head count? I think 24 other engine jobs to do. 25.
Yes. On that note, guys, I'm gonna make it back now and focus on not crashing. So, thanks for watching this video. I upload on Tuesday, Thursdays, and Sundays, and I promise I will probably drive this car again or drive another fast Subaru from Offtheline to make it up to you. And I'll see you guys next time, and take it easy. Have a wonderful day. I'm not gonna hit this pothole. If you guys like these videos and want to support my channel, make sure to head over to PattersonCarCare.com. It is my original formula detail brand that makes life so easy washing your car. Everything from cleaning your wheels in just around a minute, or any other product that is just as easy to use. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys next time.